Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about a gorgeous and a very rewarding plant for any garden. That is the coneflower. Coneflowers are great perennials, especially for beginners. These plants have a long blooming period that spans early to late summer, and they can withstand heat, drought, and intense sun reasonably well. The cut flowers are long-lasting, and the flowers and roots are sometimes used by herbalists to treat respiratory infections like the flu or common cold. In the last decade, the range of available colors and forms has really exploded. You have red, orange, peach, yellow, chartreuse, pink, and many others. The classic combination, however, is a flower with purple petals and a spiky orange center. There are also various forms with double petals or a poofy center, but the plant usually gets 1 or more feet high and 1 to 2 feet wide with flowers shaped like a shuttlecock. The scientific name for this genus is Echinacea, which comes from the Greek word for both hedgehogs and sea urchins. Look at the center of the flower. It's easy to see where this name comes from. This native plant is great for the environment. Wild deer will eat it if they are very hungry. They will go for easier targets if possible. It attracts a wide range of pollinators, especially tiger swallowtail and monarch butterflies. It attracts bees and hummingbirds as well, and if you let the spent flowers go to seed, then bright yellow goldfinches may also frequent your garden. Coneflowers are very hardy and can survive in zones 3 through 9. It is a sun-loving plant that should get at least 6 hours of sun per day. In the shade, they tend to get leggy and become afflicted with powdery mildew. It is not picky when it comes to soil as long as the soil is well drained. While coneflowers are tolerant of drought, they should receive at least an inch of water weekly. The leaves will droop if it is too hot and dry, but a quick drink will usually allow them to perk right back up. Work a bit of compost in around the plants if flowers are small or poorly developed. These plants do not respond well to heavy fertilization. They tend to produce more leaves and less flowers when fed heavily. While deadheading may be necessary to produce additional blooms in heritage cultivars, it is not required for most modern ones to continue blooming. Leaving the flowers has 3 benefits. The seeds will attract beautiful bright yellow goldfinches. The dead spiky flowers can be kept throughout winter to create interest. And some of these plants, especially heritage cultivars, will actually reseed, giving you additional plants to either harvest, move, or gift to friends or neighbors next year. Dried seed heads and stems can be cut down in either winter or fall. You can divide plants when they become crowded, about every 3 to 4 years. Spent flowers can be left to reseed on their own, or the seeds can be collected and then sown by hand. If you have too many plants, you can start deadheading to reduce the amount of reseeding. Alright, this is today's video. Hope it is useful to you. If you like it, please thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with more friends. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a message below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.